Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Heilman. I'm a chiropractor in Escondido, California, and today I want to show you a really effective stretch for stretching your lower back. When you look at back stretches, it's probably the hardest area of your body to stretch. So if you're doing your shoulders, you've got these great easy ways to stretch, but your lower back, if you bend to touch your toes or you do a back bend, a lot of those stretches are focusing around your lower back, like your hip joints. So I want to show you a way to stretch your lower back where it's going to isolate right in the lower part of your lumbar spine, which is the area that is the most frequently injured area of your spine. So what we're going to use today is what we call balance discs. They're also called balance trainers. And the way they come out of the box is they're quite deflated. They don't hold enough air in them. But many of them come with the air pumps in them. Or if you bring them into our office, we can go through and inflate them to the right pressure for you. But what you're looking for when you inflate them, so you're going to have a little air pump, and you take the needle, you moisten it, and then you go through and you put it into that. I recommend you put some pressure on the middle of the disc. You'll slide that needle in, and then you release it, and then you can pump it up until you get it where it's going to have a rounded top and a rounded bottom. That's going to be the ideal amount of air pressure in there. And what you do with these, once they're inflated to the proper tension, is you're going to put it preferably on a 5-gallon bucket. I don't have one of those, but I'm going to show you on a chair. And so what you do is you put it preferably on the bucket because it's the firmest spot, but this chair works pretty good. And you want to go through and have it where your thighs will be level, and your lower part of your leg will be at a 90-degree angle, so straight up and down. And we're going to put your back into a really super straight posture. Think of a soldier-like posture. And if you put your hands on your thighs, what you'll do is you're going to start out by going through and stretching your lower back, basically tilting your pelvis from side to side. A nice slow movement. You don't want to go super fast with this. You want a nice gentle stretches, and you want to feel the stretch isolating in on your lower back. So you're going to go preferably side to side for 2 minutes, and it doesn't have to be exact, but you want to go through and get it about that long. And once you finish doing the stretches side to side, you're going to go through and you're going to do a front to back motion with your pelvis. It's not going to be like this. That's not going to give you an effective stretch, but if you keep your upper back nice and straight, you're going to arch your lower back, and then you're going to flex it. And just about this speed, and you're going to go front and back for 2 minutes also. Now this is the best way to go through to stretch your lower back, and over time you're going to find that the elasticity of that stiff tissue will get better and better. So we recommend our patients that are dealing with chronic lower back pain to do this stretch for 4 to 6 minutes a day. Other stretches you can do is you can do like a figure 8 motion in there, but build up to that, and you want to breathe through all of this motion. Don't hold your breath through it. This is the best way to stretch your lower back. Now if you're trying to stretch your entire spine, you can go through and you can incorporate full spine stretches, but we find most of our patients, in fact 80% of people will deal with an injury to their lower back, and this is the best stretch to fix that area. If you have any questions, give our office a call at 760-480-4480, and we can help you solve your lower back pain also.